Let's look at this. It says, a driver traveling at a speed of 115 kilometers per hour received a text message on his mobile phone. Let's analyze that. You are driving, and your speedometer is ready 115 kilometers per hour. You are just on that speedometer. You are not reducing the speedometer, you are not increasing it. Just continue with the same speed. While you were driving, you received a text message. Bang. Then you continue driving. While you were driving, at this point, you receive a text message. When you receive the text message, you did not stop driving at this speed. You continue driving at the same speed. Okay? The question is saying, how far is he in kilometers? 20 seconds later. Let's say from here to here is the 20 seconds later. 20 seconds as per time. But the distance we are not talking about yet. We don't know what is the distance for now, but we know the seconds, the time. From when he received the text. This is when he received the text. So the question is, say, how far in kilometers? We are looking for this distance. We know the time. We know the speed at which he was driving. Continuously, he's still driving it. Still driving. You will agree with me again that speed is distance over time. Okay? Now, we want distance. We are looking for distance because we know this. We know this. Okay? So now we are looking for what? The distance. To get the distance, simply what? Cross multiply. 1 multiplied by this is distance equals to this multiplied by this is speed multiplied by time. Okay? Now, what is the speed? 115 kilometers per hour. Learn to put the unit. Multiply by time. Time is what? 20 seconds. Put the seconds. But now, this is kilometer per hour. This is in per hour. This is in seconds. In the realm of time, we have hour, we have minute, we have seconds. If you are working on any question, make sure that what? There is what? Uniformity. As far as this hour and seconds are concerned, they are not compatible. Either you go to seconds or you go to hour. We are going to go to hour. I can decide to go to seconds. Okay? Now, if I need to go to hour, that means I have to convert this to hour. Then leave this one as it is. If I want to go to seconds, I should come here to convert this denominator to seconds. That means I have to do meter per seconds. Replacing this k with 1,000, then this denominator by 60 multiplied by 60. But we are not going to do that. What we are doing, we are going to convert this to hour. Now, let's leave this as it is. Kilometer per hour multiplied by 20. How do we convert seconds to hour? We divide by 60. Another 60. This one converts this to minute. Why this converts this to what? Hour. Now we have this in hour now. So you will agree with me, this is now 115 multiplied by 20 over 60 multiplied by 60. Okay? Finally, the unit is now what? In kilometer. How? Will that confuse you? Let me explain to you. This is what? Kilometer over hour. multiply by hour. Hour cancel hour. This is remaining. Okay? Now, this cancel this. This here 1, this here 3. Now we have 115 over 180. If you divide this now, you're going to have 0.6388 and so on and so forth. We can simply approximate like this in kilometer. That is our distance. In case you were asked to solve this in meter, all you have to do, you multiply this by 1,000. Okay? Hope you understand the process. Thank you for viewing.